This guy tried to escape the law and succeeded because this has to be the most irresponsible state trooper out there. It all started when this guy got pulled over for speeding. As the state trooper approached his vehicle, he took off, but thankfully, it didn't take long for him to catch up. After a couple minutes of reckless speeding through traffic, this cop decides to perform a pit maneuver at 120 miles per hour, which has to be one of the most irresponsible things you could do at those speeds. Should he keep his license because